Sige, Doji. Pumapag ka yan.
Maayong hapon sa tanan. Ako si Sophor Olente, 17 years old, and I dream of becoming a teacher. Growing up, I had the privilege of seeing the world of teaching through my mother. When I was younger, she taught high school students at Loreto Academy. And now, she teaches kindergarten students. Watching her teach students of different ages showed me how powerful a teacher's role can be, Kajud. And seeing the difference she makes every day inspired me deeply. I want to follow her path, create a classroom where ang mga estudyante feel encouraged to learn, express themselves, and grow into confident individuals. I chose this career because I believe nga ang education is one of the most powerful ways to shape the future, to shape our future. If one day I can inspire my students the same way my mother inspired me, then kahibaw ko, I will be fulfilling the purpose of my dream. Becoming a teacher is not just my dream. It is my way of giving back, i-guide ang next generation, ug i-continue ang same passion for learning that first inspired me at home. Mabuhay ang mga guro!